Rooftop gardens and living walls on new homes can become havens for insects and rodents unless you plan pest management from the start. Designed for good drainage and proper substrate depth so standing water does not create breeding sites for mosquitoes and fungal pests. Choose non-invasive and regionally appropriate plant species that are resilient to local pests and require minimal supplemental feeding, which reduces pest-attracting stress. Install rodent barriers such as rigid edge trims, deep root barriers, and discrete physical baffles at parapets and downspouts, and seal surface penetrations with metal mesh to deny entry. Monitor and trap pests using a combination of passive monitoring stations and targeted low-toxicity baits placed in tamper-resistant stations, checking them on a regular schedule and recording counts to spot trends early. Avoid excessive mulch layers and high-carbon substrates that retain moisture and attract voles and slugs. Use coarse, well-drained growing media and keep organic layers thin and tidy. Use integrated plant health practices like correct fertilization timing, microbial substrate amendments, and biological controls when feasible to build plant resilience and reduce dependence on chemical pesticides. Establish a maintenance contract that includes seasonal inspections, pruning, irrigation checks, and a simple log of pest observations so issues are addressed before they expand. Common mistakes include installing poor drainage and deep organic media that foster standing water and fungal outbreaks, which is prevented by designing layered drainage and specifying coarse engineered substrates during construction. Another frequent issue is selecting invasive or high-maintenance species that attract herbivores and require heavy inputs. Choose native or low-maintenance cultivars and plan for drought-tolerant selections to cut pest pressure. A third problem is lack of ongoing monitoring and access for service crews, leading to late detection of rodent runs and nest sites. Build access points, include inspection routes in your maintenance plan, and set a regular inspection cadence so traps and barriers are adjusted before infestations spread. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners and contractors around projects like green roofs so we can help people find local professionals who are actively working in the field. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other members share practical experiences, contractor recommendations, and maintenance tips to keep rooftop gardens healthy and pest resistant.